The 2025 Honda CB750 rupees is here, redefining what it means to blend retro styling with modern technology. Honda has drawn inspiration from its rich history of legendary motorcycles while injecting cutting-edge performance and features into this model. The CB750 rupees seamlessly combines nostalgia with innovation, making it a machine for both vintage enthusiasts and modern-day riders. At first glance, the bike's design captures attention with its classic Roadster styling. The timeless round LED headlamp and a muscular, sculpted fuel tank take center stage, creating a retro feel that harks back to Honda's iconic CB lineage. The minimalist bodywork, along with carefully integrated chrome accents and retro paint schemes, adds to its undeniable charm. The well-positioned handlebar and slightly rear-set footpegs strike the perfect balance between an upright and sporty riding position, delivering comfort for long rides without sacrificing agility. Under the classic design lies modern power and performance. The CB750 rupees comes equipped with a liquid-cooled, 755cc parallel twin engine, which Honda has tuned for a refined yet punchy mid-range performance. The power delivery is smooth and responsive, making it suitable for both city cruising and open-road adventures. Riders will enjoy its versatility, whether navigating through traffic or carving through twisting highways. The engine is paired with a slick 6-speed transmission that ensures seamless shifts and enhances the overall riding experience. The CB750 rupees also shines when it comes to its chassis and suspension. Built around a lightweight steel frame, the bike offers remarkable stability and precision on the road. Honda has equipped it with modern upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, providing excellent handling, control, and ride comfort. The braking setup is equally impressive, featuring dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, coupled with ABS for optimal stopping power and safety. On the technology front, Honda has ensured the CB750 rupees keeps up with the demands of today's riders. A compact digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary information, including speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and riding modes. The bike also features selectable riding modes that allow riders to tailor the engine's performance to their preferences and road conditions. With modern electronics and rider aids integrated seamlessly, the CB750 rupees stands out as a modern motorcycle that pays tribute to classic style. When it comes to comfort and practicality, Honda has designed the CB750 rupees to cater to daily riders and weekend explorers alike. The seat is well padded, offering a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger. The overall ergonomics inspire confidence and control, making the bike approachable for new riders while still delivering the thrill that experienced riders crave. The 2025 Honda CB750 rupees is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It blends the essence of Honda's legendary CB models with the demands of today's motorcycling world. Whether you're drawn to its retro styling, its engaging performance, or its advanced features, the CB750 rupees promises to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. It's a motorcycle that honors the past while pushing toward the future, solidifying its place as a standout choice in the modern classic category.